guys, welcome back to Factory 5 Racing. I'm Dave V with Factory 5 Tech. Today we wanted to put something together because one of the most common questions I get asked in tech support is what engine should I use? There's a lot of different options out there and our kits have so much compatibility. We wanted to kind of clear it up for you guys and give you guys some options. So what I'm standing next to now is our sister company, Factory 5 Advanced Technologies, their Coyote engine package. So this is the most complete, ready to drop in Coyote engine package you can get on the market right now. This has a Tremec TKX transmission, Moroso oil pan, Ford starter, alternator, everything you're gonna need to drop this into your kit. This also comes with the EFI in-tank fuel system and the full Ford Performance control pack. So again, if you're looking for a Coyote engine package, this is the way to go. This is drop-in ready, you take it off the roller, it's fully assembled, it has your chain mounts here, drops right into your kit. This is really for the guy who's looking for the modern take on it. This is making 490 horsepower, very similar torque specs, and it revs to like 8,000 RPM. So if you're looking for that high revving performance, the little bit more modern take on the classic hot rod, Cobra, or Daytona look, this is the package for you. Again, we have all the compatibility for it, and this can get shipped with your kit. So that saves you a few bucks on shipping if you already have a completion date, or if you're not really ready for it yet, you can hold off until you get your kit after and have it shipped or come pick it up here at Factory 5 Racing. Again, Factory 5 AT, that's where you can get your Coyote engine package. If you're looking for a little bit something more classic, something a little bit more period correct, we've partnered with Blueprint Engines. And this one here is their 347 package. So it's based on a 302. And these guys are great. They've put a similar package together that gets you your fuel pump, gets you the correct oil pan, so it fits in all of our kits. They have a similar front accessory drive option. So again, you're getting a drop-in ready package. And there's a lot of different options, from the Ironhead 302 iron block, 260 horsepower, all the way up to the 351 based small block 427, over 500 horsepower. I mean, it's a machine, it's a monster in one of our kits. So that engine is based on the small block, so you will order 351 stuff with your kit. But again, you call these guys and they're gonna get you a package that works in your Factory 5. They also offer shipping across the United States. So whenever you're getting ready to either order your kit, or after you've ordered your kit, you're getting ready to drop your engine in, Blueprint is a great choice for your small blocks with an automatic or manual, Tremec TKX, or your 4R70W if you're going with one of the hot rods. So again, Blueprint gets you all those options and everything you need to make a small block work in your Factory 5. So to kind of sum things up, guys, whether you're looking for the modern high revving horsepower of the Coyote, or you're looking for that classic thumpy hot rod period correct power of the Blueprint small block Fords, you can't go wrong with either option. They make it so easy to get an engine. And I know, again, I talked to all of you guys on how stressful it can be to get an engine for one of these cars. But with these guys, you go to their website, it explains everything that you get, everything that you need. You just talk to them and they'll help you out. So factory5engines.com, you'll be able to take a look at the Blueprint engine packages. If you head over to factory5-at.com, you'll be able to see the Factory 5 AT Coyote package. Place your order there, and again, they're gonna help you out getting the best engine for your kit.